friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natoya, and on this channel we talk about beauty, lifestyle, and everything vintage. Today we are talking about all the products that I use to remove makeup from my face. I feel as if lately all I do is basically tell you about all the amazing things I'm trying and how I love them or don't love them. I always give you my honest reviews. So I wanted to show you the products that I use to remove said products from my skin and face, and how I try to maintain like healthy looking skin. All right, well, first things we're going to start with is a cleanser. So if you're like me and you wear a lot of makeup, you have to have a very good skincare routine, or else your skin is going to revolt on you. Your skin is going to break out, honey. So the cleanser that I love the most, you can see it is almost finished. It's this Origins cleanser. Origins Zero Oil Deep Pore Cleanser with saw palmetto and mint. This stuff is so good. Like, when you have your full face on, you just squeeze a little bit of this in your hand and you rub it on your face, and it takes off most of your makeup right away. But the only thing is it kind of dries your skin out. So once you use this, you have to go back in with a moisturizer or your face oil, depending on how many steps your skincare routine has. But you have to put back a little bit of moisture into your skin, because this sucks everything out of your skin, but it gets your skin super clean. I usually use this after a makeup video for TikTok. We have, I buy the big bottle because everyone in my family use this. So this is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser for sensitive skin. My child has eczema, and I find that this is one of the products that works really well for skin. It's a super gentle cleanser. I usually use this in the morning when I wake up, and I just kind of like put a little bit on and wash my face to start my day. This is a CeraVe Cream to Foam Hydrating Cleanser, and as you can see as well, this one is almost finished. This is another one that the entire family uses, and it gets your skin so nice and so clean, but you also have to go back in with a moisturizer. And to be honest, even with the Cetaphil, I always go back with a moisturizer, because you're pulling moisture out of your skin, so you have to replace it. Youth to the People. It's this little guy from Youth to the People, and it's the kale plus green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. I actually really do love this cleanser, and I'm going to get a larger size of it. I feel as if it cleanses the skin, but it doesn't pull out all the moisture out of your skin. You still have some moisture, you still have like that nice suppleness after your skin is washed, so it's not super dry. It doesn't leave your skin super dry like the Origins does for my skin, so I love it for that. I did this backwards. Before I even start with the cleanser, if I'm wearing a full face of makeup, I usually start with my micellar water. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. As you can see, it is almost finished. And I also have a baby one as well. I find that if you put this on like a reusable, I find that if you take your micellar water, because at first when I started using micellar water, I thought they didn't work, but I realized that I wasn't applying it for long enough, especially on my eye makeup. I find that if you put a little bit of micellar water on a little bit of a towelette and you hold it firm for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you wipe it away, you'll see amazing result. It will take away mascara, like hard to remove mascara, all your eye makeup, and it's so good for that. Ever since I kind of found out that little hack, I'm like, yeah, okay, micellar water all the way. And obviously I have like minis of them, because if you're going out traveling, or if you're like me that you put your makeup on like in the car or in the woods, you need a little guy to carry with you. So love Garnier, love micellar water, But you see this stuff here? Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Jelly Water with charcoal and salicylic acid. This is a really great product. However, the texture of it just makes me, oh, I don't know, like the texture is, it's like it's a bit of a jelly texture, but it doesn't feel very good on the skin. Like it makes me feel ill. But I use it, but I don't love the texture. So I'm asking Garnier if they can make this specific micellar water, but not in the jelly form. I think it's just like a personal texture thing, and I just can't. Like when I put the when I squeeze it out and I put it on my skin, I'm like, oh, I shudder. But this is amazing, and it also leaves your skin feeling so hydrated after using it. So everything about this is so good, except for the texture. Garnier, please make this not in the jelly form. That's just a personal thing. Next up, we have our good old Dickinson Witch Hazel. Dickinson Witch Hazel has been around for, I'm gonna say probably like 100 years. I'm gonna fact check it myself. Okay, so Dickinson Witch Hazel was started in 1866, and these guys are still around. So that should let you know that this product stands the test of time. I always double cleanse, and then I go in with one of my cleansers, and then I clean off whatever residue is left. After I use my witch hazel, usually my Dickinson Witch Hazel, I use my witch hazel, and I use it to just like clean and tone and calm the skin. I find that this next step, it's a small step in my skincare cleaning, in my skin cleaning routine, but I find that it like really calms my skin, it tones my skin. And also if you're trying lots of product and you're putting your skin through so much, this just kind of helps to restore like the natural balance of your skin, calm your skin down a little bit. So Dickinson Witch Hazel. Also, fun fact, I'm an illustrator by profession, and Dickinson Witch Hazel was the very first company to hire me to do a commercial illustration, and I'm forever indebted to them. But that has no bearings on the review that I'm giving them. I just genuinely, I love this stuff and I use it all the time. Of this Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant. It's not really a cleanser, it's just an exfoliant. It comes in powder form, and you kind of just pour out a couple bits of powder into your hand and make a paste on your face. I sometimes leave that for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then when I wash it off, it clears off a lot of the dead skin, and then your skin is left looking so clean, and it gives your skin a nice brightness, which I absolutely love. A lot of people don't love this product, they don't like it, but it's called a daily microfoliant. But honestly, I would not use this every day, because you're kind of taking away you're going too deep into exfoliating your skin, and I don't think your skin need to be exfoliated every day. I use this about once or twice a week or something like that. All right, next up, we're doing this backwards. So when I'm removing my makeup, I love to use like melting balm. The first melting balm I ever used was this one by Farmacy, and it's called the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. As you can see, the thing is almost finished because I use it quite a bit. So this is great for, you know, you just put it on and then you let it sit for about a minute or so. Then you wipe away all your makeup. A lot of people say like, oh, you don't have to wash your face after that. Yes, you do. Yes, you absolutely do. You do need to wash your face after. I do. I find that while it takes away a good portion of the makeup, there's always something that's left behind. And then this is a similar idea from Drunk Elephant. This is their Slay. Is that Slay? How do you pronounce that? S-L-A-A-I, Slay? Slay? I'm just gonna call it Slay. Let me know below if I'm saying this incorrectly. Their Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. So it looks a little something like, I've been using just like a small little chunk of this. Between this and the Farmacy, which one do I love the most? I don't really, I don't know, like I don't have a, they both do the same job, but I use the Farmacy the most. So maybe I love the Farmacy one more. I'm not sure. I hate picking favorites. All right, and then for mask, I use all sorts of face masks all the time. I usually pick these up at Shoppers Drug Mart. I just go for like the Life brand masks. They're really affordable and they do what they're supposed to. I love this clay mask though. This is a clay mask from a local company called Hello Sunday. So it comes like this, and then it's kind of like a red clay mask, and you just make a nice little paste. You put that on your face, let it sit for a little bit, wash it off. Obviously we don't do this every day, maybe once a week or something, depending on what kind of makeup you're trying. And then also I have the Farmacy Honey Potion. This stuff is the truth. This is a wonderful mask because where the summer, the Hello Sunday pulls out a lot of moisture out of your face and you have to go back in with a moisturizer or face oil and your serums and blah, 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 blah. When you use something like this, the Honey Potion, because it is infused with actual honey, this is a hydration mask and it hydrates the skin so much that once you, oh, smells so good. Once you're done with it, you wash it off and your skin is already hydrated. Your skin is supple, it feels beautiful, it feels soft. It's just like yum, 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 yum. I absolutely love this stuff. All right, last up for cleansers is this bubble cleansing pad. I don't have a lot of these left. I bought these at TJ Maxx or Winners a long time ago. So they come like this, and it's sort of like a charcoal cleansing pad, and you put your finger in here. So you wet this underneath the sink and it bubbles up, and you use it to clean, to just like clean your skin. I typically bring these with me if we're going away somewhere, and you know, like, they're just easy to put in your makeup bag, and they give your skin a really great clean. It's one side is soft and then the other side has sort of like a exfoliating kind of feel to it, which is nice. And they are made by a company called Mediheal. It says Beauty Science Mediheal. I've been trying to find these again and I'm having a super hard time. Let's see the picture. It shows you how it sort of bubbles up. One side is soft for removing the bubbles and another side is a little bit coarser for kind of scrubbing. This stuff is the truth. If you see it, buy it, buy it, buy it. However, I wouldn't use this every day, and I don't use this every day. This is kind of like a once in a blue moon sort of thing, because the exfoliating part of this little scrubbing pad, it scrubs, okay? It scrubs, so be careful. Last but not least, makeup wipes. I don't use a lot of makeup wipes because I don't love. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this content valuable in any way, please give this video a thumbs up or comment below or subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.